my presentation, it is on a flexible scheduling initiative. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, a flexible work schedule is an alternative to the traditional 9-to-5, 40-hour work week. It allows employees to vary their arrival and/or departure times. This initiative would provide guidance and incentives for establishing flexible practices within the workplace. The objectives are to increase productivity of the workers, providing a cost-effective working alternative, incentives for employers to implement flexible scheduling, and promoting a healthier work-life-family balance. These are just some different types of flexible scheduling. The first is a compressed work week. This is working a standard 40-hour work week in less than 5 days. So this could consist of having 4 10-hour days and then a 3-day weekend. Another approach would be a 9-80 schedule split, where you would work 80 hours in 9 days, and then have 1 day off every other week. Flex time, this is just greater freedom in choosing start and end times of the workday, and it can vary week to week depending on your needs. This could include having a core set of hours, so having to be working in office or from home from the hours of 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., but you could start or finish within an 8-hour window as long as you're working from 9 to 3. So this could include working from 9 to 5, 8 to 4, 7 to 3, as long as you're within that range. Job sharing, this is when 2 part-time employees are sharing the tasks and responsibilities of one full-time job position. This helps meet the needs of the part-time employees as well as still meeting the job responsibilities and tasks of the job itself for the employer. Some advantages. The first is the work-life balance. It is shown, according to Kahn's research, that long hours are significantly associated with higher work-family conflict. Therefore, flexible working can be useful in enabling a healthier work-life balance and better family functioning. Second is productivity. Flexible scheduling can result in less stress and more positive morale among workers. Having less stress is related to productivity and increased productivity. According to Kahn's research, higher stress and depression lower the productivity is, so flexible scheduling would help with this. For job satisfaction, according to the evidence from the American Journal of Nursing, it shows that workers who have more of a say in their work schedules have more job satisfaction. Because of these other 3 advantages, this can result in reduced absenteeism and turnover. When employees are feeling safe, supportive, have the freedom of having some type of flexible schedule and job satisfaction, it can reduce the turnover rates, which is also an incentive for employers to use and make flexible scheduling available. Some disadvantages. The first is self-scheduling. With a large number of employees, self-scheduling can be difficult. Some limitations with this include overlooking needs of the company or unit, having an unbalanced schedule, having unique and complex scheduling issues, and staffing too many or too little people at a time. The second disadvantage is having little information. Most studies right now mainly focus on flexible working and how it affects workers with children. It would be beneficial to learn more about how it affects childless workers or for workers who have non-family related obligations. Equal entitlement. It can be difficult for employees with jobs that have different demands to receive the same entitlement that other job positions may have. Some jobs require longer hours than others and may not have as much room for flexibility depending on what their role is. This would cause issues for those who want to take advantage of those flexible scheduling and would need to be worked out on a case-by-case basis depending on what their needs are and what their job title and role is. This is an example of a flexible schedule. So this shows hybrid working, where you're working in the office and working from home. In orange, we have the weekends and holidays or days off. Blue is in office, so this individual will be working Tuesday, Thursday in office, and green, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, working from home. This is another example. This would be that 9-80 split, where they're working 80 hours within 9 days, and then have a day every other week off. So for this example, they have every other Friday off, and then they're working those 9 consecutive days. Final thoughts. What are ways that you can think of for promoting work-family life balance? Is flexibility within the workplace one of them? With any initiative or program, there are benefits and limitations. However, the benefits of flexible scheduling could be what help you work towards improving your work-life balance. By making this more of the norm, workers will be able to use their flexible scheduling options for work-life purposes and work towards erasing any stigmas surrounding having a work schedule different from the typical 9 to 5. Thank you.